How to register for TikTok live events. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can register yourself for a live events. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Go onto the profile that is hosting a live event. You will see live event on their profile, just tap onto it. Here tap on register. If you would like to add this live event on your device's calendar, then all you have to do is tap on add device calendar. Then once you do so, tap on to save. Once you have registered yourself, you will be notified when the event starts and you can manage your registered events in your live events calendar. As you can see that this event is going to take place tomorrow, and this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.